Finally, interest rates are heading in the right direction, but what does that mean for you? So Tara, interest rates are finally going in the right direction, which is down.
Yes.
Yeah. What does that mean for affordability?
For affordability, guys, it means that if you purchase the same home today, the payment is going to be about 10% less. So an example of that would be a buyer that was going to purchase a home for $500,000. Today, for the exact same monthly payment, they can purchase that for about $550,000, or their payment's just about $325 less a month, which really helps with affordability.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, that's great. That's great news.
It's great news.
But so if I'm a buyer, should I wait?
That's a really good question, Rob, and it's what I spend most of my time talking to buyers about right now, because as interest rates come down, it's going to increase buyer demand, and as demand goes up, it's going to put upwards pressure on home price, and you're going to end up paying more for that same house. However, if you're able to purchase today and rates continue to drop, you're able to refinance and take advantage of the equity that you've gained based on that home price going up because of that buyer demand. So you're not having to shop in that frenzied environment like we saw back in 21, where there was multiple buyers to every one listing. And you remember, Rob, they were paying overvalue, waiving inspections, no help with closing costs. It was a much more difficult environment for a buyer to be in.
Yeah, so as I was about to say, guys, we've seen this before. So I think now we're kind of in a little sweet spot. Time to get off the dime. Give us a call. We'd love to help get you into that dream home. And thanks for watching.